Hello everyone, this is your teacher April. We're at the last section of lesson 10, where you've got lots of exercises to do. Path to great reading and writing skills is paved with sufficient and level appropriate exercises. This is the part nobody can do it for you. Today, I'd like to explain one sentence selected from the exercises to demonstrate how to use this word, 半斤八两. Take a look. Let's deconstruct it into words. 小包 is a person's name, and 小贵 is also a person's name. Read and write all the exercises in the book, including 40 sentences under 26 index numbers, 3 conversations, and 1 narrative. Once you've got a good grasp, come back for an end of chapter challenge. You have 2 minutes to complete. I hope you did well. That concludes our lesson for today. The end of the Chinese reading and writing 2 is coming. We're going to have a final review next time. Thank you for watching. This is your teacher April, signing off from the beautiful city of Hong Kong. Join me again soon.